Hi everyone, I'm here with 3 minutes Photoshop. In this video we learn easy way to create mockup. Instead of using transform for scale, choose rectangle tool, create a rectangle shape. In rectangle layer, right-click, convert to smart object, decrease opacity, transform layer with Ctrl+T, then right-click, distort, place the angle points, right-click and select warp, place it, then click enter, turn off the layer, select the main layer and with magic wand select the object, turn on the layer, then click on mask, increase the opacity, double click on the smart layer, a new page open, import your image, Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C, then in new page Ctrl+V and place it properly, save it, close the new page. I hope you enjoyed this video.